Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Spotify playlist. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Spotify app and log in if needed. Tap your library in the bottom toolbar. Select the plus sign icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Playlist in the menu that appears at the bottom. You'll be prompted to name your new playlist. After you name it, tap Create. You've now created a playlist and can begin adding songs to it. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.